Hi viewer, good day. My name is Rico Rangkuti. I am the regular MBA student at IPMI International Business School, March 2021. In this video, I will present the mind mapping of corporate finance course by Professor Roy Sembel as our facilitator. The mind mapping of corporate finance course of Professor Roy Sembel by Rico Rangkuti, regular MBA March 2021. IPMI International Business School. Okay, the first page is about the learning method. This is the mind mapping by Tony Busan. We have the corporate finance and the learning method that we have. First is 4 stages of competence. First one is unconscious incompetence. The second is conscious incompetence. Third is conscious competence. And the last one is unconscious competence. Skill in finance, point of view of management as internal and point of view of investor as external. Confucius have a theory that I heard and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Bloom's taxonomy, action learning method, higher, and lecture method, which is lower. It's okay to make mistake, to have bad days, and to be less than perfect. Goal of finance management, the basic objective, operational objective, social objective, and research objective. Financial management. Here we learn about orchestration of financial resources to create a value creation. We learn about the capital structure, working capital, asset structure, revenue management, cost management, cash flow management, growth management, risk management, corporation, financial market, and government. Financial agent problem is different interest between the shareholder and management, which include BOD and BOC, on how to run the company. Good corporate governance is about the transparency, accountability, responsibility, independency, and fairness, and short to the tariff. Time value of money. Goal of the firm is to maximize profit, maximize shareholder wealth, and there is agency problem. 4 cornerstone of corporate finance: core of value principle, conservation of value principle, expectation treadmill principle, and best owner principle. 5 business essential: cash, profit margin, velocity, growth, and customer focus. Time value of money, opportunity cost, compounding and discounting, present value, future value, rule of 72. For capital budgeting, there is an initial cash outlay, operating cash flow, terminal cash flow, and payback period, net present value, profitability index, internal rate of return, reinvestment rate. There is investment strategy, passive investing, and active investing. There is an intrinsic value versus market price, and buy and sell decision. For active investing, there are fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and market investor sentiment. For fundamental analysis, there is a quantitative and qualitative. For quantitative, there is a macro, domestic and global, industry, and company. Financial statement. There are 3 sheet statement. First is balance sheet, then income statement, then cash flow statement. For financial statement analysis, there is a profitability, liquidity, activity, leverage, market ratio. For liquidity ratio, there is a current ratio and asset test ratio. Efficiency ratio, there is average collection period, inventory turnover ratio, fixed asset turnover ratio, and total asset turnover ratio. Leverage ratio is debt ratio and time interest earned ratio. Profitability ratio is operating profit margin, net profit margin, operating income return on investment, return on asset, return on equity. For DuPont system, ROA equal to profit margin times TAT, ROA equal to ROA divided by 1 minus leverage. Portfolio theory for case analysis, possibly healthy or unhealthy, source of unhealthiness. Technical analysis, there is a pattern in price graph, stock return variance and beta. The Warren Buffett tenets, the business tenet, management tenet, financial tenet, market tenet require both quantitative and qualitative assessment. Portfolio theory, capital asset pricing model by William Short, risk-free and risk premium. Capital structure theory by Modigliani and Miller, flat 100% debt if no transaction cost, no tax. Same information, borrowing rate, debt is riskless. Leverage firm pay less in tax. Maximum firm value, optimal debt ratio, weighted average cost of capital. Financial distress cycle, solvent, distress but solvent, unsolvent. Outcome of financial distress, operation restructuring, asset restructuring, financial restructuring, private walkout, private liquidation, and finally file for legal bankruptcy. Transforming business start with stop the bleeding, financial restructuring, temporary pivoting, strategic realigning, redefining core business, and new way of doing business. LBO and fraud management. Leverage buyout, KKR by RGR, using lender money and use RGR as warranty. The value creation that happen is reduced tax, reduce principal agent problem, and reduce conglomerate discount. Watch movie Greed is Good, a film by Michael Douglas. Unethical versus illegal. Occupational fraud and abuse. Perceived opportunity, perceived pressure, rationalization. Whistleblowing, act of reporting misconduct, tool to empower employees, identify wrongdoing and protect organization. Type of incentive to the employee, physical, monetary, social, and moral. From the fraud statistic, male age 41 to 50, education S1 is the highest. Foreign exchange market. Originally, it is gold standard, then changed to fixed exchange rate, then semi-floating exchange rate, then finally floating exchange rate. For the foreign exchange transaction, there is a spot market, interbank market, and forward market. Currency future and option market. Currency future contract in organized exchange. Currency call or put option contract. Option to right to buy or sell certain underlying asset and future time. American versus European option. Price premium of option versus price of underlying asset. Dividend debate. Retain earning for profitable investment or paying dividend to the stockholder. We have a guest lecture session with the topic Bitcoin cryptocurrency trading by Mr. Chatur. Arbitrage, localization, triangular, and interest rate. Market efficiency by Eugene Fama. Efficient market analysis. Price reflect all available information. Prices are fair, neither too high or too low. Form of efficiency, weak, semi-strong, and strong. The perfect capital market, no barriers to entry. Perfect competition. Financial assets are infinitely divisible. No transaction cost. All information is fully available. No tax asymmetries. No restriction on trading. Strategy in efficient market. Diversity. Don't try to time movement. Keep tax consideration and passive investing. Thank you.